When I first started exploring the world of algorithmic trading, I was bombarded with myths that painted a very misleading picture. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, especially with all the talk about guaranteed profits and cutting-edge technology. But let me tell you, the reality is far more nuanced. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. One of the first myths I encountered was the idea that algo trading guarantees profits. If only it were that simple. While it can be incredibly profitable, there's no magic formula that ensures success. Market conditions change, coding errors happen, and sometimes things just don't go according to plan. I quickly learned that even the best algorithm can have its bad days. Another misconception I came across is that only big institutions can succeed with algo trading. At first, I thought I was out of my league, competing against these financial giants with their armies of developers and endless resources. But I soon realized that individual traders like you and me can also thrive. With the right strategy and risk management, it's entirely possible to carve out a niche in this space. I also used to think that algorithms could somehow eliminate risk altogether. I mean, if a computer is doing the trading, it's got to be foolproof, right? Wrong. Algorithms can help manage risk, but they certainly don't eliminate it. There's always the possibility of market volatility, sudden news events, or other unforeseen factors throwing a wrench in the works. Then there's the belief that algo trading is synonymous with high-frequency trading, HFT. I had this image in my head of algorithms battling it out at lightning speeds, but that's just one part of the story. In reality, algo trading encompasses a wide range of strategies, from trend following to arbitrage, many of which don't rely on ultra-fast execution. One of the biggest myths I had to dispel was the notion that anyone could easily develop a profitable algo. I remember thinking I could just learn a bit of coding, plug in some trading rules, and watch the money roll in. But creating a successful algorithm is far more complex. It requires a deep understanding of trading, coding, and the financial markets. It's not something you can just pick up overnight. And then there's backtesting, which I initially thought was a foolproof way to ensure a strategy's success. If it worked in the past, it'll work in the future, right? Well, not necessarily. While backtesting is crucial, it's not a guarantee. Market conditions can change, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. I also fell for the myth that algo trading is a set-and-forget kind of thing. The idea of just setting up an algorithm and letting it do its thing was so appealing. But the truth is, algorithms need regular monitoring and tweaking. Markets are dynamic, and strategies often need adjustments to stay effective. Another eye-opener for me was the realization that algorithms don't always outperform human traders. Sure, they excel in certain conditions, but human traders have an edge when it comes to adapting to unexpected events or changes that algorithms might not be prepared for. I was also under the impression that algo trading was all about complex mathematics. I'm no math genius, so this was a bit intimidating. But I learned that while some algorithms do rely on advanced math, many successful strategies are based on simple concepts like moving averages, trend analysis, or price action. Finally, I used to think that the more complex an algorithm was, the better it would perform. But over time, I've come to appreciate the beauty of simplicity. Some of the best performing algorithms are straightforward, making them easier to understand, maintain, and adapt over the long term. So, if you're considering diving into algorithmic trading, don't let these myths mislead you. It's a fascinating field with immense potential, but it's important to approach it with a clear understanding of the realities involved. Trust me, your journey will be a lot smoother if you do. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.